You are warmly welcome on SLTV Lab.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you a warm welcome once again on SRTV Lab. Today we are going to see male reproductive system. We are going to see all organs of this system and some function of those organs. Enjoy. Here is the whole male reproductive system. We are going to start with this part. It is called the penis. Good. The penis has three main parts. Here we see the glands or the head of the penis. This lower part of the penis is called corpus spongiosum, and this top part of the penis is called corpus cavernosum. You know, the penis is the one which is responsible for erection and to helps in intercourse, and it has the urethra inside it, the one that takes the semen outside the body. Also, it takes out the urine for excretion. Down here we see two ball-like part. These are called testicles. You know, a human being has a pair of testicles. Good. These testicles are the ones that are responsible for production of what? Of the semen and the testosterone. On top of it, we see the epididymis. This is the one that matures and stores the sperms. You get it? Now we see the tube that are connected to the epididymis. These are called vas deferens. These are the ones that takes the sperms outside the epididymis. Good. There we see the prostate gland. It is called the prostate gland. This prostate gland, together with this part on top, the seminal vesicle, this one produces the seminal fluid, which allows sperm to swim. Do you get it? This one, the seminal vesicle and prostate produce the seminal fluids that feed the sperms and allow them to swim. So on top there we see two tubes are called ureters. Those are the ones that takes urine outside the kidneys. Down here we see the bladder or the urinal bladder. Is the one that receives the urine from the ureters. Good. Now down the urinal bladder we see the urethra. It's the one that goes and connects to the penis. It passes through the penis to excrete the urine, at the same time conduct the semen outside the male reproductive system. Good. This is how it is. I hope you really enjoyed this video. It's very helpful.
So, guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope it's very helpful. So please, don't keep this information just with yourself. Share this information to your colleagues. And see you in another video next time. May God bless you abundantly.
Please support this channel by pressing like, subscribe and the bell. This is a huge support for this channel. May God bless you.